Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, we will understand how we can filter those string values as starting with a particular character. Okay, so especially for this question, we will filter out those characters, which are starting with E. Okay, so this can be this kind of questions are generally solved using the like statement because like statement are much more dynamic and suitable for these kind of use cases. But what if the interviewer is interested if you know other methods as well? So in this video, we will discuss four such methods and using which we will filter the names. Okay. Now, before we do that, let us see the data that we are going to use. So basically, we are going to use this data where the ID and name of the like people are present. Okay. Now, we will discuss about each one of them in detail. Now, let us first start with the like statement itself. Okay. So in each case, since we are going to use them as a filter, I have already written the select statement. Okay. Now I need to just apply the filter in each cases. So let us start with the like statement. Now here I will say where, and then because we want to apply filter, then I will say name of the field. Then I will say like, and then I will say single quotes E, and then the wildcard, and then single quotes close. So what it is doing is it is saying that where name is starting with E, this is what it is reading. Okay. Now if I will run this, it will give us the required output. Okay. If you replace E with T, you will get the names which are starting with the T itself. Okay. No others. Now, if I apply the same filter using the left statement, that can also be done. For that, again, where clause because we want to apply the filter, and then I will write left. What left function does is it picks value from the from the left of the string basis on the number of the characters that you provide. Okay. So the first argument is it is asking for the field where you want to apply the left statement. So suppose I want to apply this statement in the name in this case. So I will say name, then comma, then the name of number of the character that you want to pick. So in this case, you want to just pick the first character. So I will say one. Now, if you'll see, it is giving us the length of so the first character of the string. Now here I will just easily write single quotes and E open and close. And then if I will run this, I will get all the fields, the name which is starting with E. If I will replace this with T, the same, then the other use cases. Okay. Now again, if I want to do this using substring more or less is same as a left and right string. It's just that it can pick the value from anywhere of the the field. Okay. So substring requires three kind of argument. Firstly, it asks for the name of the field where you want to apply this formula. Secondly, it asks for the length of the character. Then the thirdly, it asks for the index where you want to start to apply this. To pick the value from. Okay. So let us write this and see in the detail. So firstly, I've written substring. Now it is asking for the expression where you want to apply this formula, which is name. Now it is asking for the starting position. So starting position for us is 1 because we want to pick the first value itself. And then it is asking for the length of the string that we want to pick. So I want to pick the first value itself. So I will say 1. Now it will give us E. Okay. Because we want to filter out all those values starting with E. If I will replace E with T, I will get the other outputs. Now, suppose you want to apply a formula using CHARINDEX. It is also simple. Firstly, we'll write select a string from person names. Then I will say CHARINDEX. What CHARINDEX does is it basically provides us the index of the string where in a field. Okay. So firstly, it asks for what field you want to look index for. Suppose I want to know for E. So I will say E, and then it is asking for where you want to search this index. We want to search this index in name. And then it asks for the starting position. Definitely in this case, it will be 1. So this should be 1 because we are just filtering out those values where the first character is E. This I'll run this. This is what we will get. So that's all guys in this video. I hope this was helpful to you. In case you have any doubts, let me in the comment section. And thank you for watching the video till the end. See you in the next video.